the 1900 S. A world dominated by horsepower, quite literally. But whispers of change echoed. In the midst of traditional transport, one man, Henry Ford, envisioned a revolution on four wheels. Cars existed, but were luxuries only the rich could afford. The challenge? Making them accessible to all. 1908. The dream materialized. The Model T, a beacon of modern engineering and affordability, was born. What set it apart? Durable yet lightweight, the Model T was crafted for the diverse American landscape. But the true genius? The assembly line. Mass production transformed the automobile industry. This wasn't just a car-making process. It was a ballet of efficiency. Result? Lower prices. Higher wages. A win-win. Suddenly, the dream of owning a car wasn't distant. For $825 in 1908, the American dream had four wheels. A marvel of its time. Its planetary transmission system, 3-foot pedals, and gravity-fed carburetor were technological wonders. It wasn't about luxury. It was about resilience. Model T was built for the adventurous, the everyday worker, and the family man. Beyond transport, it served communities. Farmers, doctors, law enforcement, the Model T was their companion. Its adaptability was astounding. From ambulances to mobile libraries, the Model T wore many hats, proving its versatility. And as the decade progressed, while competitors rose, none could diminish the Model T's pioneering spirit. It wasn't just technology, it was emotion. The Model T became a part of American heritage, the symbol of an era. The Model T's legacy is undeniable. Its spirit? You can see it in every innovation that followed. In the pages of history, amidst technological marvels, the Model T holds a special place, a simple car that drove a profound change.